Good morning. The for a successful lawyer and to prove the efficiency and to reach one particular zenith as a lawyer or a jurist, one must have knowledge of interpretation, construction of words and interpretation of laws. So unless and until you have intuition mind in interpreting law, it is very difficult to argue so many cases. Particularly, tax laws uh, is being played very intelligently by several lawyers. And here you see one example case, AR 2023 Allahabad 1. AR 2023 Allahabad 1. Anandi Water Park Resorts and Club Private Limited. Therein, the Uttar Pradesh Entertainment and Betting Tax Act, Section 12213, the costume used in water park was assessed for tax, and 3 crores tax with penalty of 20,000 imposed. That was challenged. And the Honorable bench, Lucknow bench of Uttar Pradesh, held that that particular section says instrument or contrivance. Costumes cannot be included the term payment for admission as defined under law. Thus, on that score alone, assessment order is beyond authority law and violate of Article 265 of the Constitution of India. So, what is instrument? They have defined. Act did not define instrument or contrivance. Cambridge Dictionary defines the word contrivance as the act of intentionally arranging for something to happen by clever planning or something that is arranged in this way. A clever device or object has been invented for a particular purpose. Instrument under Cambridge Dictionary, an object such as a piano, guitar, drum that is played to produce musical sounds, or a tool or other device, especially one without electrical power used for performing particular piece of work. That is called. So after discussing all these things, they held the costume which is lent to use water park is not within the act for payment of admission. They say payment for admission. Any payment made for loan or use any instrument or contrivance which enables a person to get normal or better view or hearing or enjoyment of the entertainment, which without the aid of such instrument or contrivance such person would not get. So when the visitors are allowed to view 3D, they may be permitted to wear a special glass. That maybe comes under here, but wearing a costume. So they say this is the way of interpretation. Somewhat, let us see what happens if this goes to Supreme Court for approval or writ appeal, whatever it may be. But see, when I was studying law at Nagpur University, my interpretation master was Pundling Chandurkar, brother of M.N. Chandurkar, the Chief Justice then was. He discussed with us 2 cases. That is, one is ginger. When question arises, ginger is a vegetable perishable or it is a medicine, non-perishable. So the perishable goods have no tax. Therefore, the Justice Krishna J. Iyer sent his wife to purchase ginger and followed her. He saw his wife was purchasing ginger at vegetable where vegetables are available. This way, he said, though ginger is not that much of a perishable easily, but still it is perishable unless it is developed into some other medicines. Therefore, he held ginger is also perishable vegetable. The tax was accepted. Another case was discussed by Justice Krishna J. Iyer was whether betel nut powder, which was prosecuted for Food Adulteration Act for having excess color in the betel nut powder. That was also came before Justice Krishna J. Iyer. He said, what is food? What is not food? See, a man eats everything, including ginger, leaves, so many things, along with the rice, dal, and etc. etc. But no person eats the betel nut powder along with the food. Therefore, he held the betel nut powder is not food. Therefore, he quashed the Food Adulteration Act. This way, the interpretations are being canvassed. I hope you understand. Kindly, I could not get citations. Anyway, one of my subscriber may locate those two judgments and forward. This way, we have to interpret law so that we can succeed and present our case. Judge will also be much impressed upon our argument and our ethnical, enthusiastic interest in rendering justice as well as development of transformation of law. That is most important. Then question arises, that's over. Best wishes.